This here is the Yummity Yum Easy Folding High Chair by Ingenuity. And we bought this for our 7-month-old daughter. This is her first eating chair, so we were really excited to purchase it. We wanted to make sure she was very comfortable in this, which she is. The material is nice. It's, as you can see, very easy to clean and wipe down. You can actually put this in the washing machine, which we do as well. It has a 5-point harness, so your baby's going to be completely secure and safe while sitting in here. Now, one of my favorite parts about this chair is this grows with your child. So it is for a baby 6 months old and can go up to 3 years old. So you don't have to purchase another one. You have it for many years with your child. It's very comfortable. My baby's always very comfortable in this. And it also has a tray here, which is BPA free, and you're always going to want BPA free for your children. I actually put this in the dishwasher, so it is dishwasher safe, which is such a plus for me. Very easy to fold and put away. If you're traveling, you can easily put it into your trunk. It's lightweight. It's a very nice chair. It works great for what we use it for, to feed our baby. We really enjoy it, and we think the pattern is beautiful as well.